Hello and good morning to all of you. Hope you all are doing well. Welcome back again to this channel about job. I will discuss today a job openings from Kuwait. Hope you all of know that this is a Gulf country. So if you have a plan to move Gulf country with a job, then keep watching this video till the end and let's know what is the job openings, how to apply, everything details. Let's start. This is a free recruitment from Kuwait and it's a EQUATE shutdown projects. So let's focus what is the job categories or the job positions. So number one, project engineer. Number two, supervisor rigging. Number three, supervisor mechanical. Number four, QC inspector. Number five, welder. Number six, pipe fabricator. Number seven, safety officer. Number eight, fire watch degree in USH. Number nine, pipe fitter. Number 10, mechanical fitters. Number 11, electrician. Number 12, painter. Number 13, rigger ITI. Number 14, foreman rigging. Number 15, rotary equipment. Number 16, valley technicians. So the thing is, for this all positions, you should know that what is the experience requirement and qualifications. So obviously, you should have the relevant experience in the relevant field for which job you want to apply, and you should have the proper qualifications as a ITI and technician. As a technician, what is the minimum qualifications should have, then only you can apply. The applying process is very simple. You have to drop your CV to the official email ID. You have to prepare your CV be updated, and all documents like educational certificates, experience details, all the things you have to mention in CV and attach all the certificates, and you have to drop your CV to the given official email ID. After you drop your CV, the all CV will be come to a process that's called shortlisted process. So once your CV will be shortlisted, of course you will get a chance to attend the interview. Once you getting success from the interview, the rest process will be started by the company. So the thing is, first of all, you should check what is the job positions. This is a urgent job vacancies from Kuwait, and if you want to move Gulf country, Kuwait, then you have to check what is the job positions. According to that, you should have the proper qualifications and experience. If you are really eligible for any of these positions, then don't be late. Apply as soon as possible. The time is very limited. So drop your CV to the given official email ID. After you sending your CV, all process will be start. But be prepare your CV with professionally so that your CV will be shortlisted as per your experience and qualifications. After your CV will be shortlisted, you will get notifications to attend the interview. So first of all, you need to apply. Before you apply, you should check what is the job positions, what is the qualifications and experience requirements. Then you can apply. After shortlisted, you can attend the interview. So this is the initial process. Once you get success from the interview, all the things will be guided by the company, like your medical process, your medical checkup with visa process, all the things. But first of all, you need to crack the interview. Once you get success from the interview, everything will be done by the company. So I hope you understand. Still, again, I will remind you this is a urgent job vacancy from Kuwait. There are 16 job positions, different jobs. So for those jobs, if you are really eligible according to your experience and qualifications, then you can apply by the official email ID. After you apply, the shortlisted process will be start. I already told you. So all the things I already informed you. Still, if you have any confusion, you can go to the descriptions below this video. You can read all the job positions and the official email ID, and you can apply. And still, if you have any confusion, you can question by comment box. I will try to give you answer. So the thing is, this is a urgent vacancies. No have time. You have to apply very soon, and I hope you apply. I hope your CV will be shortlisted, and you can attend the interview. So best of luck, and finally lots of thanks for your valuable time for watching this video till the end. Of course, in the next video I will come with a latest job openings from other countries. After that, stay with this channel. God bless you. Best of luck.